We are going to see the methods of differentiation. We will study some non-traditional methods also. Let's see first thing. We know d upon dx of x power n equal to n x n minus 1. For example, if we take d upon dx of x power 7, it becomes 7x power 6. D upon dx of x power minus 9 will become minus 9 x power minus 9 minus 1, that is minus 10. D upon dx of root x is equivalent to d upon dx of x power half. Then we apply formula, so that gives 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2 x power minus half, which can be written as 1 upon 2 x power half, or 1 upon 2 root x. Some more questions, like suppose we are given y equal to 1 upon third root x square. So let's write it in simple way. So y equal to 1 upon x power 2 by 3, which can be written as x power minus 2 by 3. Then we find dy by dx, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3 minus 1, that will become minus 2 by 3 x power minus 5 by 3. Now let's check some other methods. D upon dx of, suppose we are given, instead of x we are given, suppose ax plus b. So here we have to differentiate the various powers of x, and a and b are constants. So if a constant is accompanied by x power n, in that case its differentiation is given like this: a into d upon dx of x power n, that will become n a x power n minus 1. But if constant occurs alone, in that case its value becomes 0. So here, if we differentiate, so this x will give dx upon dx, that is a times dx upon dx plus d upon dx of b, which is constant, but dx upon dx will become 1. So answer will be a. Now let's consider some other question. Suppose we are given d upon dx of ax plus b whole power 3. So here we have to assume ax plus b as t, then we have to differentiate. So first of all, I'm going to do that way, and after that I will tell the shortcut. So let's see, ax plus b equal to t. Now we differentiate this term. So a, this will become 1 and b will become 0, and this will become dt upon dx. What I have done, I have put d upon dx before each term. So here dx upon dx is 1, db upon dx is 0, and this has become dt upon dx. So this will become, suppose we assume this question as y equal to ax plus b whole power 3. So dy by dx is equal to d upon dx of this we have assumed as t, so t cube. Now this is t, this is x, so differentiation will be difficult. So we change this x to t, so we write it d upon dt, and then this is t cube. And to cancel this dt, we multiply it here, and this dx we are going to write here. Now, this can be differentiated, and this will give 3t square into dt upon dx. Here, dt upon dx is 1, so we can put that value. So, dt upon dx is a, not 1. So, here it will become a into 3t square, and we can put the value of t as ax plus b. So, 3a times ax plus b whole square, which is our answer. Let's see what is shortcut. The shortcut of this, the same question can be solved by using some other techniques like ax plus b whole power 3. So we assume it, suppose we are given d upon dx of function power n. So rule is there, we write n function n minus 1 times d upon dx of function. So dy by dx will be equal to, this is function power n. So function is ax plus b. So rule says n function n minus 1. So 3, then function is ax plus b power 3 minus 1 into d upon dx of function. Function is ax plus b. So it is ax plus b. So now ax plus b, its derivative will give a, and this will become 3 ax plus b power 2 into a. So 3a times ax plus b whole square. Now let's take some other examples. Y equal to, suppose we are given 3x plus 7 whole power 5. So as I told you, there is traditional method where we take this as t and then we differentiate it. So I'm not going to follow that. I'm following this rule. So that says d upon dx of function power n gives n fn minus 1 into d upon dx of fn. So fn is that function. So dy by dx will become 5 n fn minus 1. So 5, then 3x plus 7 whole power 5 minus 1, that is 4, into d upon dx of function. Function is 3x plus 7. And differentiation of 3x plus 7 give 3. So we can say 5 into 3, 3x plus 7 whole power 4, which is our answer. Now let's take some more questions. Suppose y equal to root 3x plus 4. So here again, we are going to use another formula, d upon dx of root of function. So it gives 1 upon twice of root function into d upon dx of function. Let's see how. So this will become dy by dx 1 upon twice of root of 3x plus 4 times d upon dx of 3x plus 4, and derivative of 3x plus 4 will give 3. So we can say that it is 3 by 2 root of 3x plus 4. Let's see traditional method for the same question. Suppose we are given y equal to 3x plus 4 whole power half, then we assume it as t. So 3x plus 4 equal to t. Then we differentiate, we get 3 equal to dt upon dx. Then our question becomes y equal to t power half. Then we write dy by dx equal to d upon dx of t power half, which is further written as d upon dt of t power half into dt upon dx. Then we apply formula this x power n. So that will give dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 t power 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 times dt upon dx. And then we put the value 1 upon 2 t power half times dt upon dx. Then we put the value of t as 3x plus 4, and the power half means root, and then dt upon dx, which is 3. Then we will get same answer. So this is little longer method. So we try to apply this. Take another example. Suppose y equal to 4x plus 5 whole power 6. So we are going to apply the formula d upon dx function power n will become n function n minus 1 into d upon dx of function. So here it will become dy by dx equal to function is this much 6 into 4x plus 5 power 5 times d upon dx of 4x plus 5. So 4x plus 5 will give 4. So this 4 we can write here 6 into 4 times 4x plus 5 whole power 5, that is 24 times 4x plus 5 whole power 5, which is our answer. Now let's consider some other function. D upon dx of e power x gives e power x. D upon dx e power f will give e power f times d upon dx of f. So let's see how. D upon dx of, suppose we are given x power 3. So it will become, as per rule, whatever be the function, that does not matter. It is copied. So it is e power x cube into d upon dx of x cube. So d upon dx of x cube will give 3x square times e to the power x cube. We can follow traditional method also. Let's see how. Suppose we are given y equal to, same question, e power x cube. So let x cube equal to t, then we differentiate it. It becomes 3x square equal to dt upon dx. Then our question becomes dy by dx equal to d upon dx of e power t, which can be written as d upon dt of e power t into dt upon dx. So e power t will become e power t times dt upon dx. Now we put the values. So dt upon dx is 3x square, and e power t, t is x cube. So we have got same answer, but it is little longer. Now take some more examples. Suppose d upon dx of e power root of 4x plus 5 is to be found. So here, first rule that we apply, that is d upon dx e power function, that is e power function into d upon dx of function. And the second rule, d upon dx of root of a function gives 1 upon 2 root function times d upon dx of function. Let's apply the two rules and let's see the result. So it will become, according to this rule, it will become e power root 4x plus 5 times d upon dx of root 4x plus 5. Then, according to this rule, d upon dx of root of function, so it will become e power root 4x plus 5 times 1 upon 2 root function twice of root of 4x plus 5 times d upon dx of 4x plus 5, and that will give 4. So our answer will be 4 times e to the power root of 4x plus 5 divided by twice of root of 4x plus 5. So we will get 2 times e to the power root 4x plus 5 divided by root of 4x plus 5. Now, let's see some other questions. D upon dx of sine x. gives cos x. This is basic formula. Now, d upon dx of e power, sorry, d upon dx sine ax. It gives a cos ax. For example, d upon dx of sine 6x will give 6 cos 6x. Now, we are going to apply the formula sine of f, where f is a function, will give cos f into d upon dx of f. Let's see, d upon dx of sine of, suppose it is 4x squared plus 6x. So it will become as per rule cos of 4x squared plus 6x times d upon dx of 4x squared plus 6x. So it will become cos of 4x squared plus 6x times 4x squared will give 8x plus 6. We can write this in the beginning. So 8x plus 6 times cos 4x squared plus 6x. So in this video, this is enough. I will tell you some other shortcut techniques to solve difficult problems. Thank you for watching.